Fix Minecraft exit code 1. How to fix Minecraft exit code 1. So first of all, we need to check our modes. So after you open your Minecraft launcher, just go to installation. Now we need to go to fork and click on show folders. Now after that, search for modes folder. In my case, this is it. I don't have any file on it because I am not playing the Minecraft. So you need to compare the file that you have here to the version of the fork that you have. If your file not compatible with your fork version, you need to install the latest fork version. So how we can do that? Just go to Google and type fork like this, type on it, and go to this website, click on it, and now select the version that is compatible with your file in your modes. So if you have the file in your mode, the version is 1.21, just click on it and click on install, and now you need to wait a second. Don't click anything that appears here, it's all ads. Now after the time count finished, click skip and it will download automatically and install it. Now if this is not solve your problem, now we need to check our Java version. So how to do that? Now go to start and search for add or remove programs, click on it, and here you see all of the programs that you have. In my case, if you don't have if you don't find the Java here, you can search, type it Java like this, and you can see it and click on it. After you click on it, now as you can see, I have the 21 version. So if you don't have the version 17, if you have under that version, just go to Google and try to install the latest version. So how to do that? Just we need to go to Google and type Java 17 like this and hit enter. Now after that, select Java Oracle. You see, you need to see this Oracle option here. Just go to this website and select the now you have this is the different menu options. Now we need to install this version and select your operator. In my case, I have Windows 64, and you can click in this link and it will automatically download the file and install it. So now if that's all not working, you need to delete the Minecraft folder. Now how to delete the Minecraft folder? Just go to start on your Windows and click run like this and select it, and now type %, app data and %, and hit OK. Now after that, we need to go to Minecraft folder. Now you need to delete it. Don't worry, all the files that you have here, they will regenerate it after you relaunch the Minecraft game. So after you delete this folder, now your problem is solved. So this is how to fix Minecraft exit code 1. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.